I came to win, to fight, to conquer, to thrive. I came to win, to survive, to prosper, to rise, to fly. Yo, I wish today it will rain all day. Maybe that will kind that make a pain go away. Trying to forgive up or abandoning me. Praying but I think I'm still an angel away. Angel away, yes, strange in a way. Maybe that's why I say strange in a way. They got the guns out aiming at me, but I become near when they're aiming at me. Me against them. Me against enemy, me against friends. Somehow they both seem to become one. A sea full of shark and they all feel that. They start coming and I start rising. Must be surprising, I'm just amassing wind. Try, soar, higher, 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 more fire. To fight, to conquer, to thrive. I came to win, to survive, to prosper, to rise, to fly.
Everybody wanna try to box me in, suffocating every time it locks me in. Paint their own picture that they caught me in, but I will remain where the top begins. Cause I'm not a word, I'm not a line, I'm not a girl that can ever be defined. I'm not a fly, I'm levitation. I represent an entire generation. I hear the pity vision loud and clear. That is how I know that the time is near. So we become alive in a time of fear, and I ain't got no motherfucking time to spare. Cry my eyes out for days upon days. Such a heavy burden placed upon me. But when you go hard, you need to become ye. Yankees say to you,
I
you
came
just
to
again,
win, to fight, to conquer, to thrive. I came to win, to survive, to prosper, to rise, to fly.
Get ready for it, get ready for it, get ready for it. I came to win. Get ready for it, get ready for it. I came to win.
I came to win, to fight, to conquer, to thrive. I came to win, to survive, to prosper, to rise.